Portfolios are built to achieve clients' unique goals by going through a process. And the first is really just sitting down and discussing with them what are their goals, what are their objectives, what are we trying to achieve through the portfolio. And then going into other things such as time horizon, risk tolerance, and not just risk tolerance, but also the need to take risk or the capacity to take risk, which oftentimes gets lost in all of this.
Really, when it comes to customizing a portfolio, it's all about listening to what it is that the client's trying to accomplish, but also where they're at this point in time. They might have certain constraints about companies or sectors that they don't want to invest in. They may have a portfolio of existing holdings that has, embedded capital gains or other things where we're trying to manage it in a tax-sensitive fashion.
Our investment philosophy starts with taking a big picture look at the world around us and the environment. What are the opportunities that are presented through the current environment? What are the obstacles and potential pitfalls? And then developing an investment strategy that takes all of that into account. We adjust to major market moves or global events through being flexible within the portfolio. Again, we're trying to anticipate some of those things happening before they occur. Sounds easier than it is, but our job is to not stay static with an allocation, but rather be flexible in overweighting or underweighting certain asset classes as appropriate given what the environment is providing or some of the obstacles that the environment is throwing in front of us.
Yeah, I think where we're really different from our competitors comes down to execution. Everybody will start with an asset allocation of some sort with, a decent quality of underlying holdings. But where I think we really differ ourselves then is the ongoing review, making the appropriate changes, and executing along the way.
The value of the JNBA Investment Committee is such that really anybody who thinks that they've got all the answers as an individual is missing the boat. We believe that we've got a lot of good people here with a lot of good ideas, with a lot of varied knowledge, and using that in aggregation in a committee format is going to allow us to get to the best end result by taking the ideas of different people, different viewpoints, checks and balances, those sorts of things, so that at the end of the day, it's not just that one person's idea, it's the best thinking of what we believe is a very bright group.